Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am supposed to be going out to finish Christmas shopping. Who does that? A day before. We do. Anyways, we didn't forget people. We just we're busy people. We work full time. And if you work in the healthcare field, high five to you, because you know how it is. And what I'm dabbing on myself right now, because we're going straight into it, because I'm just going to go full speed. Okay, guys? This is the Farsali. If I'm saying it wrong, please correct me somehow. It's the Unicorn Essence, and this is the one I put for my makeup application. I love this stuff. It's good stuff. And I'm going to show you a couple of goodies that I got today, guys. Well, yesterday, technically, not today, because clearly I'm going out after this. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to start with the eyes. So today I kind of want to go for like a holiday look. I did get some goodies at the Chanel store. I did take some green off of my eyes, so you could kind of still see it there. But, so the 2020 spring collection already came out. I'm like, damn, people are quick. So I wanted to get some of the stuff, but then I was like, no, I've been looking for a green shadow, and I recall having, looked in the store before, and I was looking for it everywhere. Finally, I went to the Roosevelt Mall, which is where I should have went to the first place, because my essay, her name is Nessa. If you want her information, you gotta earn it, girl. Earn it. But if you're interested, I could give you her information. She works for the Chanel boutique, and she found the ombre shadow that I wanted that is green. And I'm going to show you guys in just a minute. I'm sitting on a stool and my ass hurts. I need to get a better chair. Anyways, this is the green shadow that I was talking about. Look at that, guys. Like, what? You will see this color, how it goes on. And it's freaking amazing. Anyways, we're going to start with the Huda Beauty. Okay. I'm going to go with this color right here on the bottom. Anyways, it's called Karma. Karma, bitches. Karma. For all of my exes out there. Anyway, so put this here. I'm kind of gonna dab it all over the place, to be honest. Like I said, I'm doing this quick. I'm trying to be Speedy Gonzalez. Anyway, so I would like to hear what you guys think of the new holiday palettes out there, and it's from any brand, honestly. I try to basically buy a little here and there. I didn't really go ham this year. I usually do, just because I love makeup, but I just haven't had the time. I've been working like these insane hours, so gotta work with what you got. There we go. And next, we're gonna go with the Vortex, same palette, and it's like a purpley kind of dark shadow. So we're gonna put that at the end over here. And you really just kind of want to wing that out. I try to blend it because I love blending shit, you know what I mean? I think it looks more natural when you blend it and not put too much concealer. I mean, if you want to be precise, great. But when you're in a rush, it's like, just blend it out, girl. Blend it out. If you hear noises in the background, I do apologize. I live, Spanish people are loud. I don't live by myself, so gotta work with what I got. So, blending this, we're blending this. And the brush that I used before, guys, I love Sigma brushes. Is what I use. It's everything. Tapered blending was the first one I used. And now I'm using the small tapered blending. Blend your heart away. So let's blend that a little bit more. I'll clean this out after with, yeah, for real, I really have these at my desk every time. With the Neutrogena makeup, what's it called? Makeup remover, blah, blah, blah. Toilets. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna come in. I'm gonna do a mixture of like a couple of things, so just try to keep up with me. I am gonna put a little bit concealer here. I'm gonna just dab. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay. Just gonna dab, and I'm gonna take my concealer brush from Sigma, and I'm just gonna pretty much kind of like put it where my line starts, and my line starts pretty freaking high. So we're just gonna work with that. I'm just gonna dab. So we're gonna go into color. It does come with a brush. How awesome. As you can tell, I've already used some, you know. I was wearing some earlier. So yeah. So we're gonna dip it. I like to put a lot. Just kind of space it out over. Build a line. Just build it, you know. So what I just did, I put the setting spray a little bit, and you see how before the color looked, and now with the setting spray, it just gave that color life. Guys, if you don't have this, what are you doing with your life? It's the Trooper Black, and it's from Kat Von D, the tattoo liner, so get on it. Get on it. Like I said, I'm just trying to be a little bit simple today. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the other eye, and we'll get more into talking about these products. Okay, so there. Finish the other side of my eye, and what I'm gonna do I'm gonna go in with that same kind of purplish color, and we're gonna go to the bottom now. So we're done. And the green, by the way, is called Ombre Premiere, and it's 8240, 824, and it's called verderame. I'm gonna go ahead and set my setting spray all over my face, and what I use and what I use is Selfie Ready Setting Spray by Dewy. Okay, this is from K Beauty Inspired, and it's from Joah Beauty. My Lancome, which is this. It's the Ultra Wear, okay, and it has a broad spectrum SPF 15, up to 24 hours, color wear and comfort, transfer resistance. I don't know, it's my favorite foundation right now, so. Okay. And to dab everything. I mean, I'll go back in, obviously, with a blender brush. I mean, a beauty blender. That's what I meant. And I'm back after blending my face, and now I'm blending this neck, so I don't look like hella crazy. I'm gonna kind of go and dab like whatever little tiny circles I want to cover. Put some powder, which is the Selfie Ready Setting Powder Banana, again by Joah Beauty. I'm gonna go ahead. It gives a lot out. Now you can't go in with a concealer again underneath your eyes. Right now, I just don't feel like it. I'm just gonna skip that part because I feel like I don't need it right now. I usually do when I have like huge bags under my eyes, and I mean huge. So we're gonna go with the setting spray. Spray this. And we're gonna go and dip, my dear, and we're gonna go under the eye. Not the hair of my chitty chin. After the powder is set, I am gonna go with this one, and this is the Soy Tan Embellisseur Effect Hali. Oh, I'm sorry, French people. And this is a universal color. It's a bronzer, and it's so creamy. Alright. So we'll come back and do that in just a little bit. But right now, we'll let this sit, bake. I'm going to do my eyeliner. BRB. I'm not going to take off the baking yet because I really want that to sink in. I'm really like skeptical about that because, yeah. complicated. Alright, so we're gonna grab this Accentuate highlighter from Sigma. It's the F56. People like to use this for highlighter. I mean, that's okay. I like to use this for contouring. So we're gonna grab a little bit of that. Okay, and I'm actually gonna mix it with a little bit of Farsali oil. Like a small dab. I'm gonna dab this everywhere. My It brushes from Ulta. And this is the buffing foundation. I love this brush. And we're just gonna mix everything in. Blend it out, girl. Blend it out. Like I said, I literally take forever. We are almost done with this look. So I blended everything out. I'm gonna go back in with the powder and here. So I am gonna put the Chanel. This is their Roll Coco Gloss. It's number 814. I love this look. I'm almost done with it. So sad. Now for my eyebrows, I like to use the brow pencil and gel from Joah Beauty. Gel on one side, pencil on the other side. I just make it a little bit thicker. I mean, I have really thick brows already, but why not make them more thicker? That's really it. Thick, baby, thick. And slightly put some color, very slight. You see how that just gave my brows a whole new definition of life. I put the High Impact Mascara from Clinique, and I love this. I mean, this is one of my favorite ones. I do, since I brought, you know, a lipstick, the tan Soleil, you know, Soleil tan. This is like $50-$60, I think. I don't remember how much I paid. And then the lipstick, well, the ombre shadow, the green one, was about 30 something. And the lipsticks, I think they're 20 something or 30 something. I don't remember. But I'll definitely link it down below in the description box. Go ahead and spray again. And I like to look dewy. That's how. And to finish off, I'm actually going to use a highlighter in the one that I'm going to use today. So I used the MAC. This is from last year, actually. I gotta finish this. Whisper of Guilt. Or if not, this is the Water Fresh Tint from Chanel. It's not brand new. I just have it there, and it comes with a little brush. Water Fresh Tint. This glow stick. Dude, look at that. It is the transparent, and it came out, and I love this thing. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys. Is it worth it for $67? I don't know. I don't have an answer for you. And I also wanted to show you guys these two colors. So these are from Giorgio Armani, and I'm just gonna add a little bit right here. I do have to curl my lashes a little bit more. If you guys want more of a wet look, you are able to do that with this glow stick, and it's amazing. So that's that. Also, you guys, for the Benefit Highbrow, you can actually put a little bit here if you want, just a dab, and kind of just go and swipe it off. Or you could grab like a little brush like this and just kind of set the tone for it. Just eliminate it there. You see how nice that looks? I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I hope you guys like this look. I gotta run before my fiance kills me. That's it. Enjoy your holidays tomorrow. I'm probably gonna make another video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time.
So this is the restaurant. I know we're moving all posting this tonight?
Maybe, I don't know. If I have
Because
time.
it's a present for people.
Well, I'm not gonna post it tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Your window looks so dirty.
It is.
It's so bad.
What do you want me to fucking do?
It looked like you went into the
I haven't
desert.
had time for shit.
The struggles of being famous. Oh, this is a good place too. Molito Vino. It's another spot in Babylon. And
Molto
we're getting
Vino.
whatever. You know my English. It's fucked up.
Molto Vino.
Molto Vino.
Not Mojito Vino.
I did not say that.
That's what I thought you said.
And this is Monsoon. Steak and sushi. I forgot how many times we've come here, but it's a pretty cool place. Oh, here comes the bus.